Hello Tinablingz gang, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be coloring my hair over again. The first time I did it, it came out amazing, so now I'm my own hairstylist. But of course Styles by NITAH will always be my one and truly. But let's get into it. Okay, so before I colored my hair, like I'm gonna just pop it right there. That's the color I did. By L'Oreal. I'll leave the exact name of the color and the description below. The first time I colored my hair, I did an amazing job, so I want to go back and do it again with another color though. We're gonna go even more red. I did this color about 2 years ago, and when I saw it in the store, I'm looking at it, I'm like, I did this color before. I had to, and it was cute, so we're gonna do it again. This is the Creme of Nature Vivid Red in the color Vivid Red. Of course. So this is she on the box, and this is me. So let's dive in. Okay, before we start anything, you want to make sure that we have the correct tools. So I already have my towel, t-shirt, thingy-majing on my head, so this is what I'm going to be using to dry my hair and wrap around my neck and everything. Also, you want to get you a fine tooth comb, and if you really need to like detangle your hair, I will recommend getting a detangling brush. So those are all the tools that you really need for this part. There's gloves included inside of the box, so you don't have to worry about rushing around to buy gloves. They're already in the box, so this is a one-stop shop. Let's open her up. Back again. Okay, so one thing I almost forgot to mention that you will need, and it's actually kind of important, especially if you don't have a hooded dryer or a hooded cap, is a shower cap. This is so important because it's going to lock in your hair, one, from not leaking on your face, two, it's going to retain the heat that, you know, comes out of your head. So it's going to help bake that color in. So this is the one thing I forgot. I didn't forget anything else. Let's go. So you're going to grab your cream developer, take off the top, and then grab your color. And that's so cool. I just noticed that they have one and they have two placed onto the bottle. So it's like, you know, two goes into one type of thing. Just pour her in all the quantity. Okay. I recommend, if your hair is long, prep your hair before you do mix this stuff up together. They say that if you have longer hair, to part it into 4 sections, clip it, and then work on each section. But my hair is short, so yeah, we could just take this off. It's crazy because it was under that scarf. You guys see my hair is growing, especially like from the first video. I look back at it, I'm like, oh my god, just in that short period of time I have so much new growth. Never a bad thing. I'm not complaining. I can't wait for my hair to grow back to be in its natural state. So wait a minute. Shake, shake, shake. I even like to like beat on the bottom a little bit. Okay, bitch. So, I'm actually putting these little gloves. I normally don't even like using these gloves, but I'm gonna use them. Here's more straps. I'm just gonna go in. I like to start with the front of my head first because I noticed that, you know, it just helps bake it in a little bit. Like I said earlier, if you have longer hair, separate it first, then go in. But my hair is short, so I just pour it in my head and work it in with a comb, and that's just how I roll. So let's get started. your roots are natural, since the color did go out. And go. I'm gonna set my timer. It's already going, and I'll be back in 24 minutes. Technically 25, but y'all get it. Don't miss me too much. Okay, so the timer is done. I'm gonna stop it and go wash this out. I don't even want to check on it. I just want to take it off, and then it's gonna be a surprise to both me and all of you. Be back. I'm gonna go wash it out with my conditioner. Make sure that you really wash your color out, and use your comb to comb through it. Don't be too aggressive. Get it out your head. Okay, so I already washed out my hair with the conditioner. I made sure that my water ran clear. You want to make sure that you don't see any color. Now it's time for the reveal. I'm so excited. Ooh, yes, bitch. This is cute. Cute. Yes, this little red is real, like, I feel real spring, like. I was contemplating if I wanted to color my eyebrows, but the only thing with that, if I want to fill in my eyebrows, I don't want it to look funny with the color and then my eyebrows, and then say if I put on a wig, I'm gonna have red eyebrows. So I just went ahead and just skipped that idea. It would have been cute, but not today. Definitely not today. She is all washed out. I'm gonna go in with my African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Define Curling Cream. I love this stuff. It's so good. I bought it for $4.99 at the beauty supply store. So we're gonna just take a little zab of her. I just like to like stick my finger just straight in, and that's all I need, because you don't want your hair to be white. And I just like to like grease that over my hair.
Just get a little moisturized. You see my curls are already like, yes, honey. Oh my god, my hair's getting so long, guys, look. I could like barely make a ponytail. I like that.
After I use my leave-in curling cream conditioner thingamajig, I go in with my NITAH Hair Collection Shea Butter. This is pure Nigerian African shea butter, and this can be found on www.nitahaircollection.com, and if you use the code Tinablingz, you'll receive 10% off of your order. I'll leave the link below and the name of the company, of course. So I actually just got a new one because I recently finished mine, and it's so creamy. Like, listen, this stuff is good, and it really helps lock in that moisture. I use it on my hair as well as my body, and it does wonders. A lot of people ask me if my tattoos are new. I have a lot of them that are actually old, but like the one on my arm is one of the oldest. And I get so many comments like, when did you get that tattoo? It looks so new, it looks so good. Shea butter, gotta moisturize that skin. If you don't keep your skin in good standing, your tattoos are not gonna be in good standing, because your skin looks horrible. So, little pro tip, check us out, NITAH Hair Collection. It'll be in the link below. Okay, so now I got my little George Jefferson moving on up, going on. And we're gonna dive in with some gummy gel. This gel is really good. It has a nice hold, and baby, you will be slicked to the gods. So I just take a little scoop. I love candy. This stuff looks like candy, but it smells horrible. And you just go over the top. Look at it, look at it. I'm gonna just go for a curly look today. That's like almost every day. I don't know, I even said that, like, I'm gonna go for a curly look. Girl, you are a curly girl. Like, what are you talking about, a curly look? And start hand curling my hair. Hair's a little bit longer now, so I have to use my little sponge as well as my hand technique. Now, when using the hand technique, you want to make sure that you're spiraling your hair in one direction. If you spin your hair this way and then spin your hair that way, it's not gonna work. Your curls are gonna look crazy because you're going in two different directions. So I just keep it to the right because I'm a righty and I remember it, and so I try to just keep it the same, just so I don't have any confusion. I know that every time I do my hair, I'll spiral it to the right, so it would just be a habit of just spiraling it to the right. I do switch it up every now and then, but I mean, it's no real need to. So let me explain this little contraption. I like to start with the smooth, holy side first and then pick it up with this. Reason being is because this side, I feel it curls my hair and this side elongates my curls, so you'll see. Oh, see, sometimes you forget, it's okay. So we're going to the right. Even though Beyonce said to the left, we going to the right, to the right. So you want to do the same thing. So see that? Now I'm gonna elongate it. So now, since I'm all spirally, let's slay these edges. So what you want to do is take a toothbrush that you're not going to use for your mouth. I only use this toothbrush on my edges. And a little pro tip, this toothbrush originally had, like, the bristles were a little bit longer, so what I just did is take scissors and I just cut it down and made it even. So got a perfect brush. She ready. She is ready, honey.